Hello guys, welcome to this video right here. And in this video I want to share with you all the aspects of stock market trading, guys. And also in this video we will be covering on how to trade stock market with the platform known as Etoro. Etoro is a platform from Israel, and I love trading stock market with Etoro because it gives me access to a lot of companies and stocks from New York Stock Exchange and also other exchange platform, guys. And also it offers me cryptocurrencies, so I can also day trade with cryptocurrencies. And this is why I like Etoro so much, because it gives me good access to a lot of exposure which I'm not able to get on other platforms. And the good thing, it has zero commissions. So I'm really happy with this platform, and this is why I want to analyze it together with you. So when you come here to this homepage, you'll see here trading, whereby you can be given a demo account which you can practice trading with it. You can practice trading with it and practice investing. So that is before you actually invest your real money. And as always, as I usually tell you, make sure to invest in the market amount that you can afford to lose, meaning money that you have put aside, not your real money. Not Yes, it's real money, but money that you don't need it at the moment, so that you can put it there and leave it there for a long time. Leave it there for a long time so that it matures and starts giving you some profit right there. And so right here, eToro is a copy platform whereby you can copy other top investors. If you see some, you can copy their whole portfolio, so that when they make trades, you make too. When they profit, you profit too. And this, even if you are a beginner, copy investing is very good, since when the investor wins, you will win too, since you are copying some of the most top performing traders and instantly replicating their trading in your own portfolios. Top traders, they work for you, and you don't have to remove any management fees like how you can pay hedge fund managers. Here you have manager, but you don't pay them. So there are no management fees and hidden costs involved. And eToro is generally a community of copy trading and sharing ideas on stock investing. And another aspects we will see, let's go to the cryptocurrencies which are available on eToro platform. Like right here, they are always adding new verified cryptocurrencies to their list, which anyone can always be trading. And like you see here, they always give you daily movers in the market. Let's say like in the cryptocurrency sector, you can see here, these are the big movers of this time, and these are the ones which they had a dip, they had the most dip. And maybe if you are investing in cryptocurrencies, you can come and you determine the history of every coin before you invest in it. It is always good to know the idea behind each and every cryptocurrency coin, so that you can know what indeed you are investing in. Solana, I've been seeing Solana trending so much. And actually I had told myself that I will want to have a share of Solana. So let us check it a bit. Etoro gives you this functionality. If you want to check a certain cryptocurrency, you can check it out. Like right now here is Solana. We can see it's big mover, but it has been on a dip. Like you can see here, it is up 3.91%. It was in a dip and it's currently rising, and you can invest in it with the hope that it will come all the way up to here, or you can invest in it based on the idea behind the coin. If you see that it has a strong idea that you feel that you can be an investor and take part in this, you can decide to take part in investing in Solana. Yeah. And people are investing right here. Solana, $8, 18, and people are sharing ideas right here. So let's go back here. These are the trending cryptocurrencies of late. Data, Gala, these ones, they are the most trending recently, and there are many. So there are many cryptocurrencies which you can invest right here. And so right here I want to go to another category. Let's go to another category. Let's go to the stocks category. As I also give you some day trading tips. So we go to the stocks category. And right here you can see eToro exposes you to a lot of stocks. It gives you a piece of Wall Street. So when you are trading on eToro, you figure out that you have a piece of Wall Street, and you can be profitable anytime as long as you make the right moves with the market. This is why I always emphasize, if you want to invest in this stock market, let's say it is Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, make sure that you do your research. If you want to day trade Apple, for example, do your research first, how it performs each and every day. You can practice a bit with the demo account and see the moves that Apple makes in a day, or Facebook or Microsoft. See the moves they make each and every day, and once you are sure that you can indeed day trade this, now you can get started. And right here we see there are very many stocks, big movers right here, and the ones which are on the losing end. And Warren Buffett always say, invest when there is blood on the street. Don't wait to see that stocks are green like this and then you come and start investing, since you might get into a high position, and when it goes down, it will go down with your money, and maybe if you are on leverage, your money will be swallowed down. Also, one thing I advise investors, never panic when the market is going down. Always maintain your composure, and don't let emotions take over you. This is it. So right here, this is it. Here investors, you can copy right here. Check the link at the description area below, where I will drop a link for you to join eToro. Go and explore this out.